Guys, welcome to another video from CarAndTech. So I'm just unboxing the Portronics Akshar Prime. This is a keyboard that is compatible with the iPhone, the Mac Mini, and any Apple device or Windows device. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's called the Akshar Prime. It's a wireless keyboard with Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz receiver. It can be connected via Bluetooth and also the dongle. So let me open the keyboard, guys, first. This is how the packaging looks like. So it neatly comes packed like this, guys. So this is the keyboard first. Let me remove the wrapper from this, and it also has a type C cable for charging. So the advantage of this keyboard is, guys, it does not need any batteries because it has lithium ion batteries built in the device. So when you open this lid, guys, you can see a receiver, that is the 2.4 gigahertz receiver, but I'm not using this receiver with my Mac Mini because and the iPhone or the any Apple device, because it gets connected via Bluetooth. So is there something inside the packet, guys? Yes, there is one instruction manual here. So you can see the type C port here, which is used to charge the keyboard, and the charge lasts for a long time. If you just charge for just like 2 hours, it can last for almost 1 month. And we also have an on and off button here, or switch. So let me on the keyboard and see if it's detected by the Mac. It also has shortcuts for AI, for Gemini or ChatGPT, which can be used. And let's see the features of the keyboard. And this is how the back looks like. Very neat keyboard. I think it's better than the Logitech devices which is available in the market. And it has shortcut keys. You can see it can be used for the AI shortcuts like the Copilot here. And also there are other shortcut keys which is listed here. And you can see the Windows key and the Apple keys, the command and the all keys over here. So let me switch on the Mac Mini, guys. So let's connect so this is the Bluetooth. Let me see if the keyboard is being connected. Just go to Bluetooth settings, guys. And I've already connected the keyboard in the Mac Mini. So I'm going to again connect it once more. And I'm using this keyboard via Bluetooth. There is no 2.4 gigahertz. The dongle is not required for this. And I would say when we come back to the keyboard, the keys are absolutely soft, and then it's not hard, and the clicking sound is also very minimal when you compare to other devices. This is a full-size keyboard, guys, so that ergonomic precision is also very good. And it has rubber stoppers here, guys, so that it doesn't slide on or slide onto your table. So that is a very good feature. Now this keyboard has a lot of features, and you have different shortcuts to you can accordingly you can use this for your Mac and the Windows. So according to me, this keyboard is one of the best keyboards you can buy currently at a very affordable rate. So for me, the rating for this keyboard will be 9 out of 10, guys. Better, I found it better than the Logitech keyboards out there. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos.